tutorial with Joyce. Today I'm going to introduce a very cool function called Qfiling 2.0. Organizing your files is never an easy job. What if I tell you you can train yourself a Maria or a Jose for organizing your files? What would you say? Before showing you the actual operating on your PCs, I'm going to show you something sensational.
Sensational is a big word?
Yeah, I knew. So, first you put all kinds of your chocolates or your files into a bowl. Then you pick up a single one in one color into another folder, and you put all of the one same color chocolates into separate folders. And that's where Qfiling 2.0 comes in. It helps you to organizing all your files. What's more, the mate can help you to process your files before it's put into different separate folders. So yes, it's never a bad thing to see all the things are clean and tidy. So now let's get our hands dirty. Hands on! So after entering our Qfiling 2.0 interface on QTS, we can create a Qfiling task. And right now I'm going to choose the most messy folder here. Next, I'm going to use this filter to pull out all the same type of files here. So I pull out all the pictures, and you can add another one, maybe videos. And next, we're going to do some processing. So I choose watermark out of the other 5, and you can type some text here, but I'm going to add an image. I choose to add a watermark on these files so that everyone cannot steal it. Afterwards, you have to choose your destination path. So whether you want to choose to move the files to another folders or you want to throw them all into the recycle bin, you can choose here, and you can choose your folders here. And if the folder is not extended right now, you can create one folder. So I'm going to choose another folder here. Speaking of the destination folder, we have 3 different options. The first one is that you can create a folder structure based on special criteria. And the second one is that you can follow the original folder structure, which means after you move your files to another folder, it remains the same folder as the original folder structure. So if you have a folder named Joyce, you will have a folder named Joyce in the destination folder. And the last one is create a flat list, which means that you can just move your files into the folder, the destination folder you choose. Right now we see different folder structure you can choose right here, and I'm going to choose the first one. Create a folder structure based on special criteria. Create a folder structure based on specific criteria, and you can add it here. So I think it's already very good now. And you can see the preview of your folder structure might be on your destination folder. You can also set a routine schedule with Qfiling 2.0. The first one, renaming multiple files and number it. We have 3 different ways to rename your files. The first one is you can rename all your files and index the files. So you all know that if you have a file that is exactly the same with the same name, it wouldn't be in the same folder. So in that case, you have to rename all your files, and then you make the index, you number your files. The second one is replace all the same word in your files. For example, if you have your files taken, your photo files taken last year, but you name it wrong, you name it this year, you can replace all 2018 with 2017. The third one is you can add some text on your original files. So now let's see. I choose the first one, name and index. very easy. Just type your name, and my index word starts with 1. You can choose the position of your index. After name is good. Move both source files and edited files and data integrity check. So if you want your Maria, your Qfiling to download tasks on scheduled basis, you can choose right now.
The second one is an intelligent file classification function.
For two exactly same file with the same content and same file name, we will only keep one of your files. And for different files with the same file names, we will keep both of your files and rename one of your files.
Qfiling 2.0 is such a marvelous function.